Still holding on. 32 counts, 2 walls, high intermediate level. Weight on the left. Section 1. Right basic. Side, close, cross. Side left with sweep half turn. Lift leg up. Side, cross. Now facing 6. Side rock recover. Weave with sweep. Cross side behind with sweep. Behind side forward. Count section 1. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8, and 1. Section 2. Step, quarter, cross. Reverse rolling line into left basic. Quarter back, half forward. Quarter side, close, cross. Point right, prep body to the left. Half run around. Quarter, 1-8, 1-8 with sweep, facing 9. Count section 2. 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1. Section 3. Crawl side, back rock. Recover side, back rock. Recover with sweep. Mumble quarter cross. Rock, recover quarter side, cross, facing 12. Count section 3. 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and. Section 4. Side right, sweep 3/4 turn, facing 3 o'clock. 3 run, left, right, left with hitch. 3 run back, right, left, right, slightly drag. Back rock recover. Forward on left, rise up on toe, quarter, cross, facing 6. And start again. Count section 4. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and. Tag, total 8 counts after wall 5. Tag start at 12, finish at 12. Side, back, rock, side, back, rock. Side rock, recover, cross. Quarter back, quarter side, facing 6, cross. Slow sway right, sway left. Quarter forward, facing 9. Step, quarter, cross, facing 12. That's the end of the tag. Count for the tag. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and start again. Whole dance count. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and wall 2. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and. Wall 3, 24 counts, restart. Wall 3, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and restart. After another 2 wall 4 and wall 5, tag 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and. Then you will do another 2 full wall 6 and wall 7. Wall 8, last wall, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3. Instead of reverse full turn, make 3/4 turn, quarter back, half forward, and forward, make a heart to end the whole dance.